So back to you guys. Here's B222 empty potash train right now. Here he is. Empty potash train right now. I'm back up a little bit more. Here's empty potash train right now, guys. There he is. BNSF leader and BNSF for DPU. Here we go. Wait, nope, they put them all in the front. That's why. That makes more sense. Here he is. Guys, oh man, all empty potash cars. Repeat, empty potash right there. Was mosaic potash, now it's empty potash cars. Pretty rare to see on the ground up sub. Not terribly rare on the Plymouth sub, but once in a while they get it further south than Plymouth. First time it's been this far south from Plymouth. Go to Plymouth in the Detroit area, not here. So it's pretty rare to see. 83 empty potash cars. Repeat, 83 empty potash cars. Mosaic potash is right there on the car. It is moving. Wow. Comes in the train, guys. Here it is right now. Here, right there, there's the end, and there it goes right now, guys. Here's the end train once again. And there it goes. Brand new potash cars right there. That's right. Here's the end once again, and there it goes quickly. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Ralphie and Landon out.